Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Pavoni with us in the shop. And I came in for the main reason being that there's power being received through the machine, indicated by the light turning on the left side of the machine, but the boiler wasn't actually heating up. And so what we did is we replaced the pressure stat. Here's the original one. As you can see, it's really dark inside, and just a little bit of water in there, but it's quite dark inside. Usually there's just scale buildup. And you can hear the scale buildup when you turn the machine on and it starts popping like a popcorn maker. Usually, if the heating element had no scale around it, it's more silent. You can hear it sizzle like it is right now because it's fully heated up. But when you have a bit of scale in there, you usually is indicated by popping really loud noises. So this just got some scale in there, and so we replaced it. Also, I did some rewiring, or at least I replaced the entire wire that I just didn't really like the look of, as you can see here. It's a crazy service, but I just recommend just making a whole new line. So I made a whole new line from here to here, connected it, and just did some, preventive maintenance on the machine. Didn't do any cleaning this time around or anything along the lines. Just mainly wanting to get the machine back up and running and allowing it to turn on. So we're quickly going to test the machine. We have it heat up already. I left this thing heat up for around 30 minutes just so I can make sure that it doesn't break or pop or overheat with the new pressure stat. And so we're just going to quickly test steam. As you can see, looking good. Now sadly the machine was brought in without a portafilter, so we can't brew a shot on it. But we will just pump the water through the group head. And as you can see, working well. And then that light should turn red when it's starting to cool off. As you can see, now the heating element is on. That's what that light indicates. So the bottom light is just showing that the machine is on, or at least the machine is receiving power. And then the red one will tell you when the heating element is on or when it's off. So yeah, everything working well and ready to go. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.